Viewers, Bangladesh plans to purchase 20 Chinese-made fighter jets. The deal could be as much as $2.2 billion for a country that is struggling to ensure that it feeds its people. It wants to prioritize modernizing of its air force and bolster national air defense. Why is the question, and why are Chinese jets being preferred is the larger point. This report answers that for you.
A major shift is unfolding in South Asia's strategic skies. Bangladesh has reportedly announced plans to purchase 20 Chinese J-10CE multi-role fighter jets. A deal worth around $2.2 billion in what is being dubbed as one of Dhaka's most ambitious defense upgrades yet. The proposed deal, part of Bangladesh's long-term modernization plan, aims to replace aging Chinese F-7 and Russian MiG-29 fighters. The J-10CE, a fourth-generation aircraft, is equipped with AESA radar, advanced avionics and long-range air-to-air missiles, giving Dhaka a serious boost in regional air capabilities. But this deal isn't just about defense, it's about geopolitics. Bangladesh has historically balanced relations between India and China. Yet, this purchase deepens Dhaka's strategic ties with Beijing, already its largest supplier of military hardware. In New Delhi, the news is likely being viewed with concern as India could now face Chinese-made fighter jets on both flanks. Pakistan in the west and Bangladesh in the east. This may push the Indian Air Force to accelerate its own expansion. Recently, India cleared a deal for 97 Tejas Mark 1A fighters and finalized an agreement with France to buy 26 Rafale M jets for its navy. For now, the purchase is still under government review in Dhaka. But if it goes ahead, it could redefine the balance of air power across South Asia. Bangladesh strengthening ties with China, India ramping up its defenses, and a new race for air superiority taking shape over the Bay of Bengal.